Hello students, welcome back to Friend for Learning. Today our lesson is all about comparing and ordering numbers. So after this lesson, you will be able to compare and order the three digits number. So before we start this lesson, I want you to familiarize yourself with these signs. Okay, this is the greater sign, and this is the less sign, and this is the equal sign. I want you to always remember this crocodile when we compare the numbers. Always remember, Mr. Crocodile loves to eat the bigger numbers. So here you can see there are two numbers, 67 and 76, and Mr. Crocodile loves to eat the bigger numbers. So he is opening his mouth towards 76. We have two numbers. We will start comparing the numbers from the hundreds place. So here we have 6, whereas here we have 7. And obviously, crocodile loves to eat the larger number. So my angle is going to be this way. So here you can see 693 is less than 792. In other words, 792 is greater than 693. And you can see the crocodile is opening its mouth towards the bigger number. Now it's your turn. Always remember to use these signs when you are comparing numbers. We have two numbers here, 234 and 678. Can you guess which sign will fit in better? Well done. So we have 234 less than 678. You can see the crocodile is opening its mouth towards the bigger number, that is 678. Now let's move on to ordering the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Now let's try to arrange these numbers, that is 300 and the next number is 50 and the next number is 100 in order, that is from greatest to smallest. First let me put the cubes in order. So I'm going to arrange it like this. First I have put 300s because I feel there are 300 cubes. It's the greatest. And then I put the 100 single 100 cube in the second place and the tens in the third place. So it's going to be like this. 300 and then 100 and then 50. Okay. Let's have a look at another example. We have 22, 41 and 13. Now let's try to arrange these numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Can you guess which number is going to be the smallest among these and which is the greatest? Guess. Well done. Here you are. So first the smallest number is 13 and then comes the next smallest 22 and finally 41. Well done. Draw a ring around the smaller number. Can you guess which is the smallest number out of these two? Well done. It's 337. I want you to order the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Can you make a guess which is the greatest number? First, guess the numbers in the hundreds place, which is the bigger. Then your job becomes easy. So we have 5, here we have 4, and here we have 3. So naturally you know which is the greatest number. Well done. this way. Now I want you to think and act. Can you think the best answers for these? If you want, you can pause the video and then check your answers at the end of this lesson. So here I am back with the answers. What is the smallest two-digit number? Well done, it's 10. And what is the largest two-digit number? Excellent, it's 99. What is the smallest three-digit number? Bravo, it's 100. And what is the largest three-digit number? Amazing. Watching Friend for Learning. I hope you enjoyed this lesson in an interactive way. You can subscribe to my channel Friend for Learning on YouTube to gain access to more educational videos, and also visit our website www.friendforlearning.com. Thanks for watching and stay safe.